Hello, I'm Barbara Levin, and I am co-hosting this third virtual Legal Nurse Consulting Success Conference with Patricia Iyer. The conference dates are March 4, 5, 6, 2021. Have you ever wondered, how do plaintiff and defense attorneys see a case? This session, Crash, the Anatomy of a Car Wreck, is a fast-moving session where attorneys on opposite sides of the bar will share their perspectives as to why they should win the case. You may have seen an earlier interview that I had with attorney Alan Levin, who will be presenting from the defense aspect of this same case. Today, we're lucky to have attorney Elliot Kolodny, who is an experienced plaintiff attorney. He has worked on catastrophic personal injury cases and nursing home, as well as medical malpractice cases. He has handled appeals in the Superior and Commonwealth Courts of Pennsylvania and the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit. He is a partner at Cohen and Kolodny Abuse Analytics and practices in New Jersey and Pennsylvania. Welcome, Attorney Kolodny.
Oh, thank you, Barbara. Good to be here on this bleak, overcast day in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, just north of Philadelphia. Glad to be here. Looking forward to the program. I particularly like the format. Alan, who I've never worked with in real life, is going to be talking about the hypothetical that we've constructed. And as I understand it, that hypothetical is going to be used not only in our presentation, but in a presentation from a perspective of orthopedic specialists and life care planners. So in all of the speaking that I've done over the years, that's something really unique about this program. And not just the use of a hypothetical, but watching that hypothetical as it gets carried through. Alan and I have been preparing and thinking about how best to present useful information to our audience. And while we may be opponents in the theoretical sense of the word, it's really nice to see that we both share the same respect for the role that nurse consultants can play, both from the plaintiff's and defense side. I think what we're going to be offering to the audience that's particularly useful is information that a lot of attorneys may not realize. I think we both think that nurse consultants are useful in a much broader area, a much broader set of areas than most attorneys realize. And I'm hopeful that the audience will be perhaps sensitized to new ways in which they can be useful to the practitioners. And I think at the end of the day, that will help not only, of course, our clients, which is what we're all after, but from a business perspective, both as the attorney and the legal nurse consultant, to have a deep understanding in the ways in which their skill set can be an adjunct to the skill sets of the attorney and how those synergies can play out. It makes this program really different than so many others that I've participated in.
Well, thank you. We were looking at doing something unique and different. And by having yours and Alan's participation to discuss the legal role and also alternative roles for legal nurse consultants, and taking that same case and theme through to an orthopedic surgeon, and then the life care planner, and then the fact witness, pain and suffering. So we're looking forward to a really exciting conference. And I know that yours and Alan's presentation will be on the first day of the conference, and we're so excited that you're joining us.
Well, we're excited too. Always look forward to spreading the gospel. This is really a team sport, what we do. And as I said, we do it in service of our clients, whether they're the individuals who've been injured or whether they're the individuals and corporations that are defending these cases. It's really, to misappropriate a phrase, it takes a village. And we really think that the legal nurse consultant brings a valuable skill set that attorneys need to understand more. And I think legal consultants will benefit from our perspective.
Well, I know that they will. Please join our LNC Success Conference, March 4, 5, 6. Please see the link below, lnc.tips /March 2021 virtual. See you there.